Pandas. Panda. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. How's everyone doing this morning? Oh, welcome. I'm Bye Bye Money. And we're here live every single day. Almost every single day. Trading the Nascraq. Yes, it's true. We officially moved on to the Nascraq. It's just the EMINI. It's just too slow. Too much of a crawl, especially because I only have 1 hour with you guys. I don't think I can. I just don't think it's worth it. It's worth it. All right, pandas. Should we just change the limit order trading from now on? Never trade. Stop orders. What a day yesterday, pandas. What a day. The daily chart creating itself a nice little fail second entry long setup here. Breaking the previous day's low will be huge today. It's way down here though. Goodness gracious, that's pretty far down. But that's what it is. I mean, the Nascraq can easily hit that, obviously, because it made that range yesterday. Just what a crazy market. And pandas, don't forget that today there's no news. All right, quick news check. No news today, but tomorrow there's news at 9:45. We'll be streaming. Thursday, news at 8:30 a.m. And it could be pretty decent big news with the unemployment claims coming at the same time as the advanced GDP quarter over quarter. I mean, that could move the markets, pandas. That could really move the markets. And I'm not betting on, like, if I was a betting man, if I ever gambled, let's just say, then I would say Friday is the big news at 8:30 with the core PCE price index. Basically a reading for inflation to help with the economy. If I was a betting man. Yesterday was basically an expanding day, expanding pattern. Up, down, up, right? Breaking the previous candles, previous like high of the day. You get a decent move up here. Let's see what happens though. Thinking we're gonna break this pivot high. Market's about to open. Probably open near the previous day's close. Man, does this trade well today? Yeah? Let's trade well today. That's the plan. That's the hope. 5-minute chart, big range day. That's all it was. Basically had a triangle forming here. I mean, honestly, yesterday was not, I don't think necessarily easy. Your big setup was to fail second entry short at the midday. 5,000 tick chart also fails second entry short midday. That was your big setup, right? They pretty much a confluence with each other. Unfortunately, this triggers underneath the 20 MA, hard to take. But the 5-minute triggers right above the 20 MA, and that might have been worth taking. I mean, your risk is huge, though. It's from here to here. Like here to all the way down here. It's big risk. But people obviously took it. About 3 times risk reward. Kind of let this pattern play out. Pushes down, then take the reversal back up. Hard part is, what do you think here is going to happen? I mean, you're thinking the push down like this. Once you hit something like this, you're thinking, okay, for certain, another push down, fill the gap. That's what most people are thinking. They got trapped and they got killed. Tricky. I think that's actually pretty tricky, to be honest. Thousand tick. Check, check. Hard to hear. What about now? Check, 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 check. Huh. Check, check. Charles Wilson, good morning. Hugh, good morning. Day trader, good morning. Drop a GM in the chat. Also scalp that like button. What you get here is pure trading, pandas. 100% transparency. Absolutely insane. Never turning off my trade markers. Seeing all my trade markers here. You can see that I stopped trading after I had to cool off. I was getting tilted, like crazy tilted. On my losing days, I gotta make my losses smaller, pandas. I gotta make my losses smaller. Like max, like $600 loss. And I have to make like, you know, 2,400, I think. I gotta be able to win. I gotta reverse like my losses. Usually when I lose big. And when I win small. I hate that. I hate that, pandas. When we win, we gotta win big. And when we lose, we gotta lose small. We gotta change that. You know what I mean, pandas? Simple as that. We gotta change that. Can't be afraid to win, pandas. Can't be afraid to win. Pandas market's open. Tate, good morning. Speedy boy, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome. What do we have here now, Pandas? This is a big triangle. Let's let it resolve. This is when I trade a breakout. Reach the highs. So I got your short forming here. Inside bar broken on the 5,000 tick. Inside bar 5,000 tick broken to the downside. Could be a decent push down. The 5,000 tick 1-to-1 here. It's not here. Looks like it's gonna hit. I could take the trap trade here, liking that entry bar on that inside bar. I like a trap trade if I can get it. I don't know if we're gonna get our setup. It looks like we might though. Oh, it really looks like we might. Okay. We do have a trap trade here. Kind of like it. It's a little bit far away from a 20 MA. May want to try to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart before anything else. No longer interested in that. Bottom of the trading range, back to the top of the trading range. Goodness gracious, hits it. Wow. I don't know what to make of this, Pandas. Just big move down, big move right back up. Feels like trading range price action. I mean, it also feels like the 5-minute wants to fill the gap here. There's a little gap. Wouldn't be surprised if it does fill before we make our big move. You kind of want it to, right? How long does Apex take to reply to requests made? Probably like a day. Asa bar reversal. No, thank you. I'll let it play out. Decent push up. Inside bar fails on the 5,000 tick chart. Inside bar fails the 5,000 tick chart. Actually. Try to fill the gap on the 5 minute. 5 minute gap here. Nothing is free in the market. Everything requires a price of some risk reward. This doesn't look good at all. I tried. It is what it is. I tried to fill that gap on the 5 minute. 5 minute gap here with a decent setup, right? Basically a fail check entry short. Bouncing off the 20 EMA now. Takes me out and then might come and actually go where I want it to go. We'll see though. I'm not so eager. Mawashi, good morning. Unfortunately, it's true. Takes me out and then goes up. Could have been me being impatient, not waiting for a pullback back to the 20 MA before entering this setup. I want to go long, which is ultimately where it does go, but a little too early. And yeah, I mean, the risk I held was not too large. It's only $250 worth of risk. So it is what it is. I do want to buy anywhere down here, to be honest. Like, I'll be willing to buy back down here, back to the 20 MA if we get back to it. High or low. Okay, ends up filling the gap as predicted. My 5-minute chart had a gap, filled it up. And it's unfortunate. Maybe my stop loss was just too small. I don't know. It is what it is, Panis. We'll make a 1-to-1 on the swing trade, right? This is the swing trade. The swing trade uses the pivot instead of the signal bar. Right, here's your signal bar. That's a scalp stop loss, right? If you're scalping, your stop loss is here, which is where I had it. But if you're swinging, your stop loss is here at the pivot, previous pivot. Right, it's the pivot before the new high was made. That's essentially what the swing trade is. That's where you figure out your stop loss for your swing trade. So you have like this swing up, right? You break this high. That means the pivot before this pivot is where your stop loss is for your swing trade. We make a 1 to 2. This is so unfortunate, pandas. It is what it is, though. I'm about to start taking swing stop losses from now on. Ross, when they're like moving the couch or something. Pivot! Pivot! Ross was like the least funny person in Friends, but I think every person in Friends had their part though. Right, Ross was like a little more serious person. You kind of need those foundational characters. If it was just all Chandler and Joey, then it's like it's just too ridiculous. Can't take it serious enough. So I appreciate it. First entry here. Do I like it? Maybe. I might as well wait for the second entry long here at this point. Might as well. Okay. We're in this trade. This is second entry long on a strong uptrend off our trend line. It doesn't look good for us. The moment it triggers, it kind of reverses.
$10,000 tick trap.
All right, pandas. Can we get our 1-to-1 here? Is the question. We're so close. It looks like a decent troll.
Filled.
Easy peasy. 1 to 1. 1 and 1. Oh, pandas. I'm done for today. Let's just quit while I'm ahead. Avalon got that 49-inch Samsung ultra curve, ultra wide, super curve. It's pretty nice. I have one of those as well. But yours is probably newer to mine. I purchased if you do have like the ultra wide monitor, I purchased a what is it called? A virtual monitors. So you can split your screen into like multiple monitors. I bought like software that basically makes your monitor have like virtual monitors in it. No, that's like entry long. I'd rather see the trap trade here. Potential nice trap here. We shall see. It's setting itself up for a trap at least. Isn't it hard on GPU? I guess, yeah. Probably harder than not having it. Decent push down. Oh, let's see if we can get the trap trade. I'm gonna wait for the trap setup. And then I'll swing big. I'm gonna shoot for the stars. Inside bar created. All right. Pretty strong bull bar. It's a risky trap to take. This super strong bull bar. With like an always in long buy right when that closes. No thank you on the reversal now. I'm not gonna read Avalon's comment. I don't want any, misinformation to be spread, but that would be crazy. That would actually be kind of crazy. I mean, we could try. Big Mama. I'm game. The last thing I heard was that he had COVID. Okay. Don't know what's happening right now. Doesn't look good though. I guess I'll try. Fail second to short again. If it sets up. The question is, if Biden does pass away, will the market go up or down? That's the question. That's the question we really care about on this channel. What a push down here. Interesting. Are we entering a limit order market? Should I just try limit orders now? Sit back and watch the magic happen, pandas. Sit back and enjoy the show. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's not good, pandas. I mean, technically, if Biden does pass away, Kamala Harris is the president, right? We have the first female president ever. That's kind of cool. Even though I feel like Kamala Harris is not a great president, but still kind of cool. Like, first female president. All right. What is going on? I'm just gonna let this play out. It takes me out, takes me out. It is what it is. It looks like it wants to take me out real bad. Oh, yeah. Very cool. No idea what's happening. Expanding pattern, my favorite. It's failed trap here, essentially. I'm so curious now. I'm just gonna type in, is Biden alive? I can't even say he's dead. Far right spreads baseless claims about Biden's ... Joe Biden proves he's alive by calling into Kamala Harris's event. That's kind of ridiculous that... Whoa, this is kind of ridiculous that that's even something he has to try to prove. There are serious rumors if Joe Biden is alive. Wait. Okay, it like... Lauren Boebert wants to know where President Biden is after he dropped out of the presidential election. I demand proof of life from Joe Biden today by 5 p.m. Wow. Isn't she like a senator or something? Isn't she like part of the House? I don't know. Is she part of Congress? He apparently issued a statement on Sonia Massey shooting. Whoa, this shooting is weird though. Okay. That's scary stuff. All right, what's going on? Outside bar on the 5-minute chart, causing mass confusion right now. Just like these conspiracies. What's going on? But you know, everybody's thinking it could be a possibility. It could actually be like an actual possibility. Hmm. I don't know. I guess I go short. I'm just not sure. Man, I just don't know. What do I do here? Every time I try to go short, every time I try to go the direction the market's going, I've been getting like whiplashed. This is the first entry. Sure. Why not? It's an ugly looking signal bar. Very ugly looking signal bar. In fact, it shoots right back up. Weird. I don't know. We've been in this expanding pattern this entire time. 5,000 tick chart also very confusing. 5-minute chart also tons of overlap. Really, there's no sense of direction here. Big push up. Really big push up. Could just be a bull leg in a trading range though. Typically very strong. Second entry long. I don't know, pandas. I don't know what to do here. Go long, I guess. Jeez. Just can't enter a trade that goes the right direction. I'm thinking we're gonna break the high if we actually push up here. Is there like anything in me that would have just gone short right there instead? Like just with a limit order? Is there anything in me that would have been like, oh, let's just sell the limit order right when that breaks that high? I don't know. So hard to do. But that was the right move. Unfortunately. Getting destroyed here. It's an expanding pattern here as well. Higher highs, lower lows. It's crazy. I can't trade expanding patterns. They're impossible. Right, higher highs, lower lows. Like I said, Pandas, I don't know what to do here. It's tough. Tough, tough, tough. Lower, lower, low. Dripping, flushing. Maybe should I just buy with a limit order somewhere down here? And you were down here, buy with a limit order. Next reversal up, just buy. Technically, that's what I should be doing. Since crazy people, that's what they're doing up here. Crazy traders just selling right at that break. Jeez. I mean, if the Nascraq is this bad, how bad is the EMINI? Yeah, it has to be like 20 times worse. Actually, it looks like the E-mini's about to pop off here. I don't know. Let's try.
Target filled.
Sure, why not? Easy peasy. The nice thing about NQ is that it's only 20 times leverage instead of 50, which is the EMINI. And just trade one contract. It's less leverage, actually. It moves more, but less leverage. Sure, why not, pandas? I'll take it. Pretty much break even day today. I truly have no idea what's happening, pandas. Turtle, what's wrong, man? What is wrong? It's the summertime. I mean, if you feel like the E-mini is slow, it's actually every year is like that. Summertime is just so slow. Just a weird market, all in all.
$10,000 tick trap.
Inside bar created a 5,000 tick chart. Inside bar. Above the 20 MA, as you can see. Truly have no idea what's happening. It's a conundrum. Pretty much break even today because of the price action being so choppy. Pretty much trading choppy. Okay. Seems like it's going down. If I were to make a guess. It's a limit order market, so the thing is, like, strong bear bars get reversed very quickly. Strong bull bars get reversed very quickly. I'll take the fail second entry long. Sure. Last setup of the day, probably for me. Fail second entry long. There it is. Setting itself up. Shall we dance? I do not want an outside bar reversal. I really don't. Especially on a day like this. I'll skip it. Outside bar reversal. Let's dance. Shall we really dance, pandas? How low can you go? How low can you go? Continue our expanding pattern. Break this low here. What do we have to lose, really, pandas? What do we really have to lose? Our dignity. That's it. Let's let this cook a little bit. Let's let this cook. Just let it cook, pandas. Let it cook. Let it cook, pandas. Let it cook. I think it's getting well done. I think it's overcooked, pandas. I think it's getting overcooked now, pandas. It's not good. It's not looking good. I'm dead. I'm literally going back and forth, back and forth. Win one, lose one, win one, lose one. Oh, now it wants to go down. Okay. Cool. Cool. Very cool. That's fine. I'm fine with that. Now it wants to go down. Now it wants to go down. All good. Takes me out first, then goes down. It's all good. At least we got the premise right. Cool. Now it really goes down after it takes me out. It's been doing that to me a lot yesterday and today. Takes my stop loss out and then goes the direction I want it to go. I should be going long here, to be honest. This is crazy for me to think. People are buying at the close of that bar. It's just crazy for me to think that. People just buy. But people did. They're just trading. They must be trading levels. Just happy to get down to their level. Lawrence might be onto something.
$10,000 tick trap.
Second, just short forming here. Second, just short. Give me a good signal bar. This currently is not a good signal bar. Undershoot could lead to an overshoot as well. It makes sense to go long here, to be honest. What am I looking for a short? Because I've lost my mind, pandas. Absolutely lost my mind. I've gone bonkers. No thank you, no. I love it when the market makes it easy. Makes my decision easy. Okay, undershoot to overshoot here. Maybe worth going short here. Whoa, okay. I was about to say for a second, pandas. I was about to say. Just for 1 second, pandas. Should we get the big buckaroos? Should we get the big buckaroos today, pandas? The bambaroonies? Getting the big bambaroonies today? Shall we? 5,000 tick. Fail second entry long. Coming off the previous day's high. The big bambaroonies waiting for us here. Big bambaroonies? The big old bambaroonies here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Big bambaroonies here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Big bambaroonies. 1-to-1 on the bambaroony here. Woo! Woo! Give me another push down. Give me another push down. Come on, another push down. You can do it. Oh, so close. I'm out. No, no, no. Where are you going? Where are you going? Get me out. Get me out. Where are you going? No, 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 no. Where are you going? Come back. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Where are you going? No. No, that is the wrong way. No. No. Come back down. All right, let's protect some profits. Protect some profits, pandas. But let's not lose the potential for more profits here. One more push down. Follow through on the strong bear bar on the 5,000 tick chart. Little bit of follow through here. Come on. We need that little bit of follow through. I think we got. What the? What is this? Does not follow through. That is the opposite of follow through. Pandas! What's going on? No! Please. Please just don't V-bottom on me. Whew, okay. I think we're safe, pandas. I think we're getting a nice little shot down here. Oh.
Target.
The big bambaroonies. The big bambaroonies, pandas. Don't forget it. Don't forget the big bambaroonies. It was a 1-to-1 on the trap trade on the 5,000 tick. That's why I had my profit target right there. As you can see. The bambaroonies, pandas. The big bambaroonies. Don't forget it. See, we just trade safe until we really, really gotta crank it. We cranked it big, pandas. Pandas, we got it. We got the 1-to-1. Not only did we get the 1-to-1, pandas, we got the 1-to-1, and our entry was way up here. We entered up here, but we got the 1-to-1 on the 5,000 tick chart, pandas. You get it? You get what I'm saying, pandas? You get what I'm saying, pandas? We entered way up here, but we got the 1-to-1 on the 5,000 tick, right? We basically entered on the second entry short on the 1,000 tick chart coming off our trend line, off the 20 EMA, and undershoot to the overshoot, our rate triggers. Then we entered here And then we decided to hold it for the 1-to-1 on the 5,000 tick chart, pandas. Bambaroonies. Goodness gracious. We got our bamboo pandas. Alright, pandas, I think that's it. We're going to call it a day. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Trade safe, everyone, as always. Happy trading. God bless. Bye. Yeah.